Hello YouTube. Just got this very nice knife from Amazon. The Tac Force assisted opening FireFighter rescue pocket knife. $9.99 Amazon Prime. I just ordered a couple days ago and now it's here. Here it is. It's pretty nice. Let's take a look. It has a 3¼ inch blade, stainless steel. Serrated blade there. It comes with a seatbelt cutter and also a window breaker, car window breaker, if you need to break your car window in a hurry, if you get trapped. And or if you see a baby in a hot car, you need to rescue the baby, then you can hit the window with this. Always hit the side windows, not the windshield or the rear window. Hit the side windows in the corner, not in the center of the side window, in the corner of the side window. You don't need a whole lot of force, just a moderate tap on the corner of the window. Any of the four corners should shatter it. Very well made. For $9.99, you can't beat it. Tac Force has never disappointed me. With this low price, what's there not to like? Thank you for watching.